If you need or want to restore a previously deleted atom, this can be done from the UI. Under the Manage tab, select Atom Management. This will take you to the Atom Management page, which displays your current active atoms and the environment that they are attached to. On the left-hand side, there is a panel which allows you to select a specific atom and see additional details. At the top, there is a filter option. Select the filter option. Here, we will see different options, one being Show Deleted Atoms. Select Show Deleted Atoms and click Apply. Now, your previously deleted atoms will be displayed under the Unattached Atoms section. To restore a specific atom, simply select the atom, and under the Atom Information tab, an option to restore the atom will appear. Select Restore Atom to begin the restoration process.